I was supposed to have a quiet morning working from home, just me and my laptop, and the hope of actually getting some outreach done before lunch. The school called, my kid was sick. This happens, no big deal, or so I thought. On the drive home, my biggest champion at an account I've been working for the last 6 months contacts me. They need a quick demo walkthrough personalized for their engineering team in Brazil. And the catch, they wanted it by the end of the day. So I finally got the kid home and in bed and started recording the demo. Just me, my laptop, and the quiet I'd been hoping for all morning. The knock at the door. Dog loses her mind. The kid's calling my name from upstairs. I hit pause. I let the plumber in. Back to recording. But it doesn't stop. The kid whining, the dog barking, the plumber clanking. It was like chaos had its own soundtrack. And all the while, the clock was ticking.
You should have just used Consensus AI.
Wait, what?